Hey everyone, it's Shirley with Unboxing Brand and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing an order that I placed with ThredUp. If you've never heard of ThredUp before, they are an online consignment store, or also known as a thrift store, and there's thousands upon thousands of secondhand clothes you can choose from. Some clothes actually are brand new with tags. People just kind of don't want to wear them anymore, so they sell it on ThredUp. I've been basically living in sweats and t-shirts for the past year and a half, and I'm a little tired of it. I'm ready to go back out into the real world and wear some real clothes. I also recently put on a few pounds because I had a baby, and a lot of my clothes don't fit me anymore. So I went on ThredUp and I purchased a whole bunch of stuff for the fall. ThredUp has different warehouses all throughout the States. And even though this is one large order, it came in 3 separate shipments because of the location of where these items are coming from. This is the first item that I received, I think, and it came in like a little poly bag. Open here, use the self-sealing strip to make a return. These bags you can reuse because once you open it, there's like a little glue strip here, and once you tear away the plastic, you can seal it up again. So in case you don't like something that you ordered or it doesn't fit, or for whatever reason you want to return it, you can use the same bag to return it. You have 14 days to make that return. So when I open the bag, my item is nicely wrapped in this tissue paper, and on the front there's a little sticker that says gold digging since 2009. I realized that my order didn't come with a packing slip or anything. I think I know what this is. I think I remember. So this is a top by Eileen Fisher. Oh, this might be too big, but let's try it on. Eileen Fisher is a brand that I've always wanted to try, but their regular price items are just way out of my budget. Like a tank like this is probably like $300. So on the website, when you're scrolling through, it kind of tells you the condition of the clothes, and I chose things that are mainly in excellent condition. So this actually looks quite new. It doesn't even look like it's really been worn that much. And I think the material is cotton. Oh, it's linen. It's 100% linen. Nice. The next item I believe is also by Eileen Fisher, and this one is, let's see what the material of this is. This is 100% silk. Ooh. These two things were probably the most expensive things out of my entire order, just because it's Eileen Fisher and they know that, and they definitely priced this up a little bit, and it's in great condition. Next bag. This bag is a little beefier. It has more items inside. Okay, same thing. Everything is wrapped, and there's a sticker on the front as well. Oh, this one says sealing deal since 2009. There's a little booklet inside. This is us. I guess maybe each warehouse packs their things a little bit differently. A lot of cool pictures in here. If your dream only includes you, it's too small. Hashtag secondhand first. Okay, so, ooh, this is by Vince. I kind of forgot what I ordered. This is also in excellent condition. Like, it looks brand new. It smells like it's maybe been washed or dry cleaned, but it's in really great condition. This is also a size large, but it's also 100% silk. Ooh, and there's some really nice detailing on the trims here. Almost reminds me of like a silk nightgown, but it's nice enough for work. I got these tanks to pair with cardigans that I ordered, and I will show you. And I just realized that I ordered 2 tanks. One is linen and one is silk. Okay, so that was by Vince. This next item is by J. Crew, and it's a sweater. I love this type of sweater. I don't really know what the name of it is, but it's made of yarn that's 2 different colors. And this looks like it's in pretty good condition. I don't see any pilling on the sleeves or the armpit area. And it smells like it's been washed. It definitely smells like somebody else. I know that's a little bit weird to say, but everybody has a certain smell, and you can kind of smell it on here. I'm just gonna wash it and hopefully the smell comes out. So this is 53% cotton, 47% acrylic. I think this will fit. I like baggy sweaters, so I think this will be perfect. Let's move on to this huge box. Ooh, okay, so when you open up the box, it says 10,000 new items every single day. On the side of the box, secondhand first, follow them on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. Wow, I'm super excited about this. This is by Point Sur Denim. I've never really heard of this brand before, but I really like the wash. I like the mom jean style because I like high-waisted jeans. Point Sur. I hope they're not a fast fashion brand, but even if it is, I'm buying secondhand, so I guess I'm not really buying fast fashion. I stopped buying clothes from fast fashion stores about 2 years ago, and it's been fine. Like, I don't miss them. Okay, so these are a pair of like light blue wash denim. Next item. I really like this color. This is by Orvis. This it looks worn, but it's like in okay shape. There's no pilling. The reason why I really wanted to get this was because of the collar here. I really like this detail, and then also just how the sweater looks from the front. When you are scrolling on their site, they put all of their clothes on mannequins to show you how they look, and on the website it looked a little bit smaller. And I was really hesitating whether or not I wanted to order this because I was a little bit afraid it wasn't going to fit. In person, it actually looks like it might fit, so that's good. Let's keep going, a few more items. This is by Michael Stars, it's one size, and this is sort of like a long cardigan that's lightweight. I wear a lot of cardigans because I'm a little bit body conscious right now, and I just like to wear wraps and things that just kind of loosely drapes over my body. This also looks like it's in pretty good condition. Love the length of it. There's like a little slit on the side here, and then there is also, there's also pockets. Not that I'm gonna be putting a lot of stuff in these pockets, but nice. You can't go wrong with pockets. Next, this is a sweater by Loft. Oh, there's a piece of hair in it. This one definitely looks more worn than the other items. I'm seeing some pilling of a different color fabric on here, so I wonder if maybe they washed it with something or kept it in their closet, but this one definitely looks more worn than all the other items. But overall, I think it's an okay shape. I might just need to clean it up a little bit with a lint roller and also like a defuzz machine, whatever those are called. It kind of removes like the top layer of fuzz from your sweaters. My current black cardigan is really worn out and there's holes in it, so I wanted to replace that with this. I think I have 3 more items left. Okay, so this is by Universal Thread. So this is a Target brand, and it's a green, like an maybe like a lighter than army green sweater. I really like the crop of it, and I like the neck detailing of this, so I wanted to try this out. Okay, I remember this skirt. So, this is also by Ann Taylor. It's a size large. I don't know, I was feeling cute when I was shopping. I thought maybe I could wear some tights and some boots with this skirt and a nice chunky sweater and a jacket or something, but this material I'm not really a big fan of. And it looks like there's a stain on the side. I don't think I paid too much for it. Let's try it on. If it fits, I might keep it anyways because it's you can't really see the stain. If you're looking at it inside out, you might see it. The inside is more of a solid color, and yeah, there's a little bit of stain. It looks like a coffee stain or something. And then the last item is another pair of jeans. This is by Athleta. There's a marker that crosses out the logo on the tag, which means that this person probably found this in a discount store of some sort. None of these clothes came with tags, although I do see a small piece of plastic denizen here on the side with nothing attached. So I don't know, maybe the tag fell off or something. They do mention that if you want to return anything, all tags have to be attached. Nothing came with a tag, so I don't have to worry about that. But if you do want to make a return, if you're returning for store credit, you can have free return so that they'll send you a shipping label, you ship it back to their warehouse, and then you get the credit back onto your ThredUp account. But if you want your money back, they charge a $1.99 restocking fee, and then they also charge you a shipping fee, I guess, depending on how much you're returning. I'm really happy that I chose all my items. It took me a really long time to find these items. Imagine going through a thrift store in person, you have to sift through so much stuff to find something that you like. It's kind of the same thing on the website too. There's just a lot of stuff there, period. So it took me a really long time to find these items. When I logged on, they gave me a 35% comeback sale. I first ordered from ThredUp when I was in my last trimester, and so I had a big belly and I was looking for some maternity clothes, and I haven't shopped with them since. So I guess they saw that I was logging back on and it's been a while, so they offered me a 35% discount. It was like a comeback discount. So I used that for sure, and this is how I ended up with all these clothes. So ThredUp also accepts used clothing, obviously, because it's a secondhand store, and where are these clothes coming from? So you can actually send in your clothes and they can sell it for you on their website with a commission. If you're curious to see what that's like, let me know. Maybe I'll make a video about that. Alright guys, so that was unboxing and try on of my recent ThredUp haul. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you've never tried ThredUp before and want to give them a try, use my link below. You can get $10 off of your first order. While you're here, check out some of my other unboxing videos. Thank you so much for watching and staying to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!